Hey everyone, welcome back to Health with Arshad. I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects so many of us. Leg health. Whether you're an athlete pushing for peak performance, someone who spends hours on their feet, or just looking to improve your overall well-being, strong, healthy legs are crucial. We're going to be talking about 3 superfoods that can help boost your leg strength and circulation naturally. Remember, taking care of your body involves nourishing it with the right foods. It's not always about fancy supplements or complicated routines. Sometimes the simplest solutions are found right in our kitchens. Before we get started, just a quick reminder that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. If you have any specific concerns about your health, please consult with a qualified healthcare professional. Now let's get to it. First up, we have a vibrant, earthy root vegetable that packs a serious punch: beetroot. You might know it as a colorful addition to salads or smoothies, but beetroot is a nutritional powerhouse, especially when it comes to leg health. One of the key benefits of beetroot is its high concentration of nitrates. Now, before you start picturing fertilizer, let me explain. Our bodies convert nitrates into nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes and widens blood vessels. This vasodilation is crucial for healthy blood flow, and improved circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reach your leg muscles, boosting their performance and reducing fatigue. Think about it. Better blood flow means your muscles get the fuel they need to power through workouts, long walks, or even just standing for extended periods. Plus, beetroot's anti-inflammatory properties can help alleviate muscle soreness and pain, allowing you to stay active and comfortable. Whether you prefer it roasted, juiced, or blended into a smoothie, incorporating beetroot into your diet can make a real difference in how your legs feel. Remember, consistent small changes often lead to the most significant results. Next on our list is a spice rack staple that's been used for its medicinal properties for centuries: ginger. This pungent root isn't just for flavoring stir-fries and soothing upset stomachs, it can do wonders for your leg health too. Ginger is known for its potent anti-inflammatory effects, thanks to compounds called gingerols. These gingerols work their magic by targeting inflammation pathways in the body, reducing pain and swelling in muscles and joints. This is especially beneficial if you experience leg cramps, stiffness, or discomfort after exercise. But that's not all. Ginger can also improve circulation by inhibiting the production of thromboxane, a substance that causes blood platelets to clump together and potentially restrict blood flow. By keeping your blood flowing smoothly, ginger helps ensure your leg muscles receive the oxygen and nutrients they need to function optimally. Adding ginger to your diet is incredibly easy. You can grate fresh ginger into stir-fries, soups, and smoothies, brew a soothing cup of ginger tea, or even add a pinch of ground ginger to your morning oatmeal. A little goes a long way with this powerful spice. Finally, let's talk about a nutritional powerhouse that often gets overlooked: the mighty Brazil nut. These large, satisfying nuts are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, but the one that stands out for leg health is selenium. Selenium plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy blood vessels. It acts as an antioxidant, protecting your blood vessels from damage caused by free radicals, those unstable molecules that can wreak havoc on our cells. By protecting the integrity of your blood vessels, selenium helps ensure efficient blood flow throughout your body, including your legs. But here's the kicker: just 1 or 2 Brazil nuts a day can provide you with your recommended daily intake of selenium. That's right, such a small amount can make a big difference. So how can you incorporate Brazil nuts into your diet? They make a great snack on their own. You can chop them up and sprinkle them over yogurt or salads, or blend them into nut butter. Just remember, a little goes a long way when it comes to these selenium superstars. So there you have it, 3 superfoods that can help boost your leg strength and circulation naturally. Remember, taking care of your body is a journey, and small, consistent changes can make a world of difference. By incorporating these nutrient-rich foods into your diet, you'll be well on your way to healthier, stronger legs. And when your legs feel good, you feel good. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to Health with Arshad for more health and wellness tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.